Welcome back, everyone. So it's estimated that more than 1 billion people are living with untreated vision impairment worldwide, experiencing vision loss that can often be prevented if it's caught early. As we recognize World Sight Day today, we are working to address some of those misconceptions that keep people from seeing clearly or even going to the doctor. Dr. Jeffrey Levenson from Levenson Eye Associates joins me now via Zoom. Good morning to you. Appreciate you.
My pleasure, Melanie.
So you've been in Jacksonville a long time, since 1988. In your experience, what are some of the reasons that maybe people delay treatment or maybe never even get an eye exam?
Roughly half of all children have never had an eye exam, even though 80% of what we learn as children, we learn visually. The primary reasons are that people don't either have the resources or take the time and effort to get their eyes examined. It's important to do so, in part because 60% of us need glasses, and in part or glasses or contacts or other vision correction in order to see their best, and in part because there are eye diseases that, when recognized and caught early, are easy to treat, and when not caught till late in the course of disease, are much more difficult to treat.
Yeah, we'll talk about what you're doing to try to give access to more people. But first, let's talk about maybe some of the misconceptions, because a lot of people, maybe you don't have insurance, maybe it's a financial burden, and you come, you find out you have a problem, and now you're like, what do I do because I don't have the insurance? But when it comes to glaucoma, I know that one, if you start drops early, you can save your sight. So these are things that if you catch them early, you certainly can get a lot of help. So talk about cataracts, glaucoma, eye disorders. What are some of those misconceptions?
Yeah, so the most common cause of irreversible vision loss in the United States is macular degeneration. Diabetic retinopathy is right up there, glaucoma as well. All three of those diseases are perfectly treatable, and with proper treatment, we can most often prevent loss of vision. So regular eye exams, especially beyond the age of 40, are important to maintaining eye health. And the earlier we catch these problems, the more likely we are to be able to fix them and prevent people from losing vision, maintaining a lifetime of good vision.
Yeah, all right. So let's talk about your Gift of Sight program. Definitely have to commend you for it. In just the last year, more than 37,000 people have gotten free screenings through this program. We have a graphic we can put up to really show this impact. And more than 2,000 have gotten eye exams, and 3,400 have received glasses. So look at those numbers on your screen. I mean, that is tremendous. Talk about your program and how people can get involved.
So a lot of people don't realize Jacksonville is kind of a model for the whole world. Just this past year, we received a recognition from the American Society of Cataract and Refractive Surgeons for our community-based program. There's an organization called Vision is Priceless that provides free screenings to 40,000 preschool children every year, so we can find problems when they're most treatable. We also do free eye exams and free glasses for people who need them. We've done over 100 cataract surgeries on blind people in our community who are otherwise blind and unable to afford their surgery. Just this past Thursday, I did 22 surgeries on blind patients in our city who couldn't otherwise afford surgery. There's no reason in a place like the United States, and especially in a city like Jacksonville, that anybody should be blind for lack of access to a surgery that takes 10 minutes. So we are doing what we can to end that scourge, and we're meeting with some success and getting some recognition for it.
I love it. I love that smile on your face, because you're doing good work. So that is positively Jax as well. So thank you. Again, the information to get to those screenings, 503-2423. Also, visionispriceless.org is a way to access you as well. And just a quick one, there are some other screenings that are coming up in town. The next one, October 18th at Lutheran Social Services on Phillips Highway. There's another one on the 22nd at the Morning Glory Christian Fellowship. That's on Paul Avenue. And you can get those details by going on news4jax.com. So do not delay. Make sure you're doing what you need to do to be able to see properly.